channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, as promised to you, armies, I am here with the Airplane Part 2 Japanese version official MV reaction, because Airplane Part 2 was pending for a very long time, and I know that there is this Airplane song which is part of Hobie's mixtape. So I have not of course listened to it, but I was wondering why this was part 2, but the armies clarified that for me. So thank you so much. I am extremely stoked to listen to the song. You guys already know I want to listen to their entire discography. I want to listen to their entire album, and as soon as possible and react to it. But yes, I'm getting there slowly. So without delaying this, let's react to Airplane Part 2. I'm really excited to listen to this. Oh! Oh my god, Taeyang in pink hair. Oh, okay. Jungkook looks great, huh? With that hair color, he looks great, and I love how this is like a very okay. Once more, I like how it starts. This has such a this doesn't sound like a Japanese song. There are no subtitles. Oh my god. Oh, there are no subtitles. How will I even understand what they are saying? Great. I'll just enjoy the song. If you guys will be kind enough to let me know the gist of the song, I'll be very happy. Otherwise, I will end up anyways watching the lyric video. Yeah. Woo! His vocals! Wow! That's Jin's voice? That's Jin's? Oh my god. I mean, oh my god, he's sounding so good! And this song, I don't know, it's having such a Latino feeling to it. The beat and the music and the way it is flowing. I like it. Oh wow. Woo! Jin! Oh my god, Jin is sounding great. Oh my god, Namjoon! His eyes and his dimples. His eyes are really expressive. Ooh, he looks so good. I like what he's wearing. Woo! Oh, yes! I'm listening the Tokyo, Italy, Hong Kong, Brazil. So Airplane Part 2, is this the song? Is this the song about traveling? Like them traveling to various places? Is there a song about that? And this has such like a holiday vibe to it. It's like a song that you play when you're traveling and traveling alone and seeing all beautiful places. And you see this unbelievable. I don't know. This is giving me a feeling of being in Goa. Honestly, I'm telling you, this is just giving me the Goa vibes. This so feels like Goa. Almari Ache? Whew! But this has such a Latino feel. Just grab a partner and start dancing. Whoa, go Hobie! He's a dance king, I swear. Oh my god, Hobie! Yes! He's a dance king. Hobie is amazing. I love him. I love all of them. I love all of them. But oh my god, the way he moves, man. Hobie is amazing. Hobie does not have bones inside his body. He doesn't have bones. He is so smooth. Oh my god, this is like totally giving me a feeling of just going ahead, packing my stuff and go to Goa. I was not expecting this kind of music. This doesn't feel like a Japanese song. This feels like such a Latino kind of a song. Namjoon looks great. I also don't know why I'm so addicted to you all. Oh my god! Oh my god! BTS dancing in rain. That's my favorite visual. Oh my god, over? Oh, I want to definitely see the last part again. When it starts. This one. This is a holiday song. This is like a holiday chill song. I'm guessing this is about traveling only because they are just taking names of all these places. Tokyo, Italy, Paris, London, Hong Kong, Brazil. I wish they had taken India's name also, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. But oh my god. Tell me, Indian armies, isn't this giving you the feeling of being in Goa? This is just giving me that vibe. Oh my god. And I like that Al Mariachi part. This part is also amazing, huh? Amazing. Yes, BTS dancing in rain. I need more of such visuals. Just give me a glass of wine and I'm gonna jam to this song. Float me to heaven. Look at these boys. Look at the swag. Oh my god. Wow. Just wow. Absolutely wow. Okay, it's over. Stop. I didn't even expect that there is going to be such a Latino vibe when I started, playing this song. So nice! Oh my god. Guys, ARMY's, oh my god, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. At this point, I'm out of words and phrases, but I'll try. Alright, number one, this song itself is such a beautiful melody to my ears. Al Mariachi, when they were singing that line, beautiful. I loved the beats of the song because it sounds so different. Again, with the variety, I've said it again and again. I sound like a broken record, but I am going to say it again. The variety of the kind of songs that they do, this is a perfect example of it. I was not at all expecting such beats. Really, I was not expecting, because used to now listening to a certain kind of beat from BTS. This was really unexpected. This was really unexpected. That's one. Second, their costumes. Every costume worn by them in this song, I love it. It is giving such a beautiful holiday-ish, chill kind of vibe. I don't know, I love it. I just love the costumes. Whoever is the costume designer for this song, I applaud you. I love it. I absolutely love it. All their newfound hair colors are looking great. They look beautiful as usual. Their beauty is unparalleled. The fourth, who has just won me in this song, is Hobi. Hobi's that entire dance part where he dances on top of that bar table, and then he gets down, and then Taeyang and who was that? Jungkook, they join him. That entire verse is so beautiful. I loved Hobi in this. Like, his entire dance thing was great. Fifth, Jin, when he started singing, like when Jin and Namjoon were in the same stage with the mic, and then Jin, he was sounding so different. The guy has a very unique voice. Jin has a very unique voice. I really love it. I love how unique Jin's sounds, and he sounds very different in different songs. So I'm guessing he is able to alter his voice a little, because here he's really sounding different. And if I compare it with whatever I've listened to in the past, he can, I think, alter his voice. Let me know, ARMYs, if I'm correct or wrong, that he can alter the pitch differently for his vocals, because that's great. Oh my god. So yeah, these were my thoughts for Airplane Part 2. I absolutely loved this song. This is probably, my favorite BTS song. It's very difficult to choose a favorite in BTS because all the songs are just so different and unique. One day one song is my favorite, another day another song is my favorite. It's like that. But the one which is really close to my heart, my all-time favorite, I should say, is the first song ever of BTS that I had listened to and reacted to, Fake Love. That is the song that will always, that actively got me interested, in K-pop and explored this genre. And then, slowly now I'm reacting to other groups. But I think Fake Love is going to remain like my all-time favorite, forever. So I think, yeah, you can say that maybe, if you had to choose one BTS song to listen forever, I would choose Fake Love. I would definitely choose Fake Love because it's special to me. So yeah, that was it, guys. Do let me know, for you guys, ARMYs, what is that one BTS song that is really special to you? For it could be, just because you love the song, or it could have a deep meaning which connected with you. Like I said, like Fake Love is not just a song for me, it just got me into this genre, and it's like I feel emotionally connected to the song Fake Love. So that is probably, that is the song I'll choose over every other song of BTS if I ever have to choose one song only. Do let me know, ARMYs. I would love to know what is that one song of BTS that you connect to. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the reaction. I hope you have come till the end of the video listening to all my blabbering. And please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. All my other older reactions of K-pop are there on my other channel, which I will link in the description box for you to see if you are interested. And I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.